What if the key to a better day isn't hiding in your coffee pot, but in a simple glass of water? Today, we're exploring a tiny change to your morning routine that science says could have a pretty huge impact.
I mean, we all have that morning ritual, right? But is that first cup of coffee or tea or juice really setting you up for success? Or is it kind of just habit? Imagine for a second if that first drink of the day could do more, way more, than just jolt you awake. Well, it can. There's an upgrade, and it's incredibly simple, surprisingly powerful, and as we're about to see, it's fully supported by modern science. We're talking about one easy switch that could make a world of difference.
So, what is it? We're talking about soaked ginger water. I know, it might not sound like some groundbreaking discovery, but trust me on this simple drink is an incredible way to fire up your body's systems right from the moment you wake up.
You see, ginger isn't some new health fad. It's been a total powerhouse in traditional medicine for centuries. What's really fascinating is that modern science is now digging in and proving what our ancestors seemed to know all along. It's pretty cool.
So what's actually happening inside your body when you drink this? Let's get into the real science of it and break down 5 specific research-backed reasons why this simple swap is so incredibly powerful.
That's right, 5 key benefits. And let's kick things off with the first one, which starts right where it matters most, in your gut.
First up, digestion. Honestly, this is a game changer for so many people. A glass of ginger water first thing in the morning basically gives your entire digestive system a gentle wake-up call. It helps prevent that sluggish, uncomfortable feeling before your day even gets started.
So how exactly does it work? Well, ginger acts like a catalyst, firing up your body's digestive enzymes. Just think of them as these little helpers that break down your food way more efficiently. And the result? Less bloating, less gas, and just a much smoother, more comfortable start to your day.
Okay, next up, let's talk about inflammation. That chronic, low-grade inflammation is linked to so many health problems. And it turns out, ginger is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to calming that inflammation down all throughout your body. The secret weapon here has a name, gingerol. This is the main bioactive compound in ginger, and it's what gives it those potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. So we're not just talking about an old wives' tale here. This is real biochemistry in action. Benefit number 3 is all about your body's defense system. Starting your day with ginger water can help fortify your natural immune response, giving you a little extra armor against whatever bugs are going around.
And yep, it's that same powerhouse compound, gingerol, that also has properties that can help your body fight off infections. You can think of each glass as a small, daily deposit into your immune health bank account. It's a really simple investment that pays off big time, especially during cold and flu season.
Now for the benefit that ginger is probably most famous for, its incredible ability to soothe an upset stomach. It's just remarkably effective against nausea, whether it's from motion sickness or those really tough mornings. And this quote from the source material really says it all. This isn't some new discovery, right? It's a long-established, proven remedy. Having that kind of soothing effect first thing in the morning can be an absolute game changer.
And finally, we have benefit number 5. Beyond all the immediate effects, ginger water contributes to your long-term health by loading your system up with powerful antioxidants.
So why are antioxidants such a big deal? Well, every single day, our cells are under attack from something called oxidative stress. You can almost think of it like microscopic rust. The antioxidants in ginger act like a personal bodyguard for your cells, protecting them from that daily wear and tear and supporting your health for the long haul.
Okay, so you're probably sold on the why, but what about the how? Well, the best part is just how unbelievably easy this is to do. Let's walk through it real quick.
It honestly could not be simpler. It's just 3 steps. Thinly slice a little bit of fresh ginger, pop it in a glass of water, and then just let it soak overnight in the fridge. That's it. When you wake up, your powerful wellness drink is already made and waiting for you. So let's just pull back for a second and look at the big picture here. This isn't about some crazy, complicated health overhaul. We're talking about one tiny habit that can create this powerful ripple effect through your entire day.
I mean, this says it all, doesn't it? On one side, you can start your day feeling a bit off, groggy, bloated, unsettled. Or, on the other side, you can start it feeling energized, comfortable, and fortified. And the only thing that changes is what's in your glass. And that really is the ultimate takeaway here. It's not about a massive lifestyle change. It's just proof that one simple, easy swap can trigger a whole cascade of real, tangible, science-backed benefits that you will actually feel.
So I'll leave you with this question. We've seen how a tiny change, like adding a little ginger to your water, can create these huge effects. It really makes you wonder, what other small, overlooked habits are just waiting to completely transform our day? Something to think about.